today we are going to finish out our little flamingo Christmas project. So last week we did our little beach. This week we are going to draw out and cut out our little flamingo, and then we'll just add our little details, our little hat as well. So you will have a pink piece of paper today. And what you're going to do to actually draw him out, you are going to come to about the center of the paper, maybe a little bit higher, but you're going to come to about the center, and you're just going to draw a big oval. Okay? And then you're going to come to the bottom corner of the page, and you're just going to do like a big upside down U. And then we are just going to do like some little, we're going to connect this oval to the body with just some wiggle lines. Just like that. Perfect. All right. So now we are going to know what happens is we're going to actually flip this over and, we'll cut it out and then we're going to flip it over so you won't be able to see any of those black lines. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come off to the side. We're going to make a beak because we're going to have to paste the beak on him as well. So we're going to make a beak and then we're going to come over here and make a hat. So we're going to come to about here on our little empty paper, and we're just going to make the beak, we're going to draw a little line down. And we're going to come to a point. We're going to do just like that. We're going to come to a point. We're going to draw a line, color half of that. We're going to fill that in. That's going to be black. All right. And then you might want to take a red oil pastel to do this hat. And to create this hat, we're just going to do almost like a candy cane shape. The hats are kind of skinnier at the top, and then they get bigger. Okay, like that. Perfect. And then we'll be cutting out our own little Santa Claus hat, little white part. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let's color our little hat red. We have a lot going on in the gym today, so that's probably what you hear. All right, and then we're going to do this part of the beak. We're going to actually fill it in with white. Be real careful because that black part can get a little smeary. And that's okay. You can have a little bit of that gray part in there. That's okay. All right, and then we're going to cut this out. So, I'm going to cut this out. All right, so I cut this out, and then what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. Okay, so this is like our little flamingo. I also cut out my little beak that's going to go here, my little hat that's going to go here. Now, we need to create an eye. So about right here, you're going to draw a circle. You're going to fill it in. Don't forget to leave a reflective light. You can just leave it pink, or you can go in and with a white. You can do it either way. So we have our little eye, a little flamingo eye, and then we're going to give him a wing. And to do that, we're going to take like a dark pink, and we're just going to do like this upside down shape here. And if you want to use like some dark pink and light pink, that's okay. And we're just going to do these little W's. You're just going to do these little W's right here. And maybe I want to go back in and do some light pink. You can do that if you want. All right, and then this is how we're going to glue him down. We will glue him down. Don't forget our little massaging technique. So we'll glue him down like this. And this is where you're going to get really creative because you are going to make the little bottom of your hat. So I'm going to take some of this extra paper. You can color it white. I don't know. You can make it wavy at the bottom. Color it white. To put this on the bottom of your hat. So you can do this. And glue that down like that, and you can do a little white ball. So I'm going to cut out a circle. And I'm going to color it white. You might want to color it white first and then cut it out, just because this is really hard to do. And then you can glue your little ball down as well. Don't forget to just glue around the edges. Do your little massaging technique. When you are done, you should have something that looks about like this. You can glue that beak however you want. It does kind of slant down. So you should have something that looks about like this when you are done. All right, have fun.